Hello, everyone. This is just a quick overview of Keeper, aka Password Keeper, at keepersecurity.com. So this will be our new password manager that we'll be using in the organization. It's pretty easy to use, but we're going to walk you through the basics here. So first of all, there's a number of different components to Password Keeper. The main one really, as you can see here, the one that's highlighted is browser extension. And this is the one that goes into your browser, and it makes it super easy to save new passwords and to log in automatically if you already have logged in before and have the password saved. If you like, you can also install the desktop app for Keeper, available for Windows or Mac, and that just gives you an actual app on your computer that you can access your data and you can drag and drop and attach files and so forth. There's also a mobile version which you can put on your phone, iOS or Android. And so those are the different ways that you can access your data. Of course, you can just access it in a browser at keepersecurity.com. Let's get you signed in. So you should have received that email from Keeper. So go ahead to that email and click the link in there to create an account. So once you're in there, you'll type in your email address. Now here's where you're going to be typing in your master password. So this is really the only password that you need to remember. So you will be typing in often to log into Keeper likely. So you don't want to make it random characters. At the same time, you don't want to make it too easy. So it needs to be at least 12 characters, and you can choose your master password. Once you're logged in, you're going to be presented with a Get Started window there. You see it on the right-hand side, and we are going to go through these steps. So the first one is importing passwords. Now, first of all, we are available to help you with any importing of passwords. Just reach out to us, and we're happy to do it with you. But maybe you can do it yourself. If you've been saving your passwords in your browser, it's actually very easy to do this. Now, so let's just imagine here, I'm using the Edge browser, and I do have some random passwords in there. So we're going to click Import Now, and we're going to click Import from Browser. And then we're going to install this little Import Keeper tool. So just follow the prompts along here and go ahead and run it. And then when it's finished downloading, yep, you're going to go ahead and run it. You're going to copy that little code there that you're having and then run the program that you just downloaded. It will ask you for that code. You'll go ahead and type it in. Just a little security verification there. You'll click import. You'll see ones here. You're going to click confirm import at the bottom. And then all of those will be imported into your Keeper. So whether you're using Google Chrome or Firefox, it's really the same idea. They will all be imported in. Now, if you're using something else completely different, just reach out to us and we're happy to help you with that so you're not starting from scratch. Okay, so now you have it all installed. That's great. Now, the next thing we're going to do here, you'll notice the third one down is enable two-factor authentication. But since we're in here, we're just going to do it right now. You're going to go to the security tab on the left-hand side, and you will see two-factor authentication in the list. We're just going to turn it on. Now, you already probably have the Microsoft Authenticator, which you can use as the authentication app. You might have the Google Authenticator or Authy. It doesn't really matter which one you use. Just go into the app on your phone, click to add a new account, and follow the prompts along. You'll have to scan in a QR code along the way, but just follow the prompts, and that'll get you all set up for the multi-factor authentication. You'll receive some backup codes. These are just in case your two-factor authentication is not available or you lose your phone or something. So just copy these. You can either write them down or maybe save them in your computer without context. Don't put them in your Keeper because obviously that's not going to help you because you won't be able to get in. Next up is the installation of the browser extension. So just click install in your little panel there on the right and follow the prompts. Might be slightly different depending on the browser you're using, but it's all essentially the same thing. Just install it and then you'll need to sign in. On some browsers, you may need just to click the little pin to make it stay visible on your toolbar so you can always see it. So you'll want to do that. And you'll also get this pop-up here, Disable Browser Password Manager. This is important because we no longer want to use that for business passwords if in fact you are using it now. Next and final step here is to set up account recovery. So this is in case you lose your master password. So just so you know, we, as your administrators, do not have access to any of your password data, nor can we reset your master password. That's obviously for your security. So if you lose your master password, then you can't get into your account. So that's why this step is important. So what you do is you click Set Up Now, and you will set up a recovery phrase. It will give you one. And as you can see, it's just a random string of different words. So just save it, write it down, or save it to your file system in your computer, that is, and then you'll have it if you if you get stuck anywhere along the way or you need help with anything, please do reach out and we're happy to get you going as well. In the email I sent you, there's a bunch of other videos, short videos provided by Keeper to highlight different aspects of the program. So I'd encourage you to watch them all so that you can be super efficient with Keeper and it'll make you productive and secure. Thanks very much.